Now, a very important point that we are going to discuss about the Krishna River is the right bank and the left bank tributary. A lot of people juggle in understanding the right bank and left bank. I have again told you the direction, how the direction has to be taken care. For example, if my river is flowing from west to east, then I just stand in the direction of west to east and look at the hand. So right hand is going to be my right bank tributary and left is going to be my left bank. Right, so you have to just stand in the direction of flow of the river. So the first tributary right bank that is going to be very important is Vena, and apart from that, Koyna. Koyna is also important because it's providing the water to the other area, adjacent areas, and it's very helpful in the agriculture purpose. Apart from that, Panch Ganga, Dudh Ganga, Ghat Prabha, Mala Prabha, and Tungabhadra. Now, Krishna River System. Krishna River System, as I told you, what I have told you, you can see in the picture also that how the right bank and left bank tributary are going, and it's originating from Mahabaleshwar. I always say that the picture is more important than the text, so just have a look at the picture to understand it better. Now, the left bank tributary that I have taken is Bhima. Just look at the picture. Bhima, right? Then Dindi, Musi, Muneru, and Vijayawada. These are some of the places. So basically, Vijayawada is a place, and which river is flowing here? Muneru, right? Then we have what? Dindi, Bhima, Pedawadu, then Halia, Musi, Paleru, and Muneru, right? These are some of the right bank and left bank tributary that you have to learn, right?